Buried beneath the sands of Egypt for over 3,000 years, one of history's greatest treasures lay untouched until 1922, when British archaeologist Howard Carter made a discovery that would stun the world: Tutankhamun's tomb. Tutankhamun, the boy king of Egypt's 18th dynasty, ruled from approximately 1332 to 1323 BC. His reign was short and his death mysterious. But it wasn't his life that would make him famous. It was his final resting place. For years, Carter searched the Valley of the Kings, convinced that a hidden tomb awaited discovery. On November 4th, 1922, his persistence paid off. His team uncovered steps leading to a sealed door bearing the name of Tutankhamun. What lay beyond would change archaeology forever. On November 26th, Carter made a small opening in the tomb's entrance. As he peered inside, his patron Lord Carnarvon asked, "Can you see anything?" Carter's famous reply, "Yes, wonderful things." Inside, Carter and his team found an astonishing collection of over 5,000 artifacts. Gilded chariots, golden statues, ornate jewelry, each piece telling the story of Egypt's young pharaoh. But the most breathtaking find of all? Tutankhamun's burial mask, crafted in gold and inlaid with lapis lazuli. The world was captivated. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb ignited a global obsession with ancient Egypt. From Hollywood films to high fashion, the 1920s saw a wave of Egyptomanias sweep across the West. Howard Carter became a celebrity, traveling the world to share his incredible findings. But despite the fame, he remained dedicated to his work, spending nearly a decade cataloging the treasures of the tomb. Yet, the discovery came with whispers of a deadly curse. Just months after entering the tomb, Lord Carnarvon died under strange circumstances. Newspapers fueled speculation of a curse of the pharaohs, a legend that still intrigues us today. Today, scientists continue to study Tutankhamun's tomb, uncovering new secrets about his life, his death, and his burial. Advanced technology allows us to see deeper into the past, preserving this incredible discovery for future generations. The boy king may have lived a short life, but his legacy endures. His tomb remains one of the most significant discoveries in history, a window into the ancient world, and all because one man refused to give up the search. If you enjoyed this journey into history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the past.